egg flight. Okay?
6 eggs, 6 ways.
So let's start with the traditional.
Okay, yeah.
Just deviled egg with.
A pickle.
I would eat that all day. You pick the next one. Tell them what it is.
Green onion and bacon bite.
Bacon
Egg.
bits.
Egg.
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers. It's good. It's kind of salty. The bacon bits are salty. Marinated artichoke hearts. It's not my favorite. Like 3 out of 10. Will not eat again. Almond stuffed olive.
Egg. Sorry.
It's fine. Too salty. No. Will not eat that again. What do you think? Chip and dip or the Dorito?
Doritos. Egg. Okay.
It's good. I knew it would be good. It's not great, but it's not bad. Like a 6 out of 10.
Chips and dip. Egg.
It's not bad, but it's not great. I prefer the pickles.
I prefer the pickles, the
bacon bits.
and the Doritos.
The Doritos was good too, yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.